Mario?
All right, thank you, Christina. We continue our coverage now of last night's presidential debate, Decision 2020.
Our team coverage continues this morning, now with national correspondent Kristine Frazao, who's live for us with reaction. Good morning, Kristine.
Good morning, guys. I'm so sorry. There's a fire drill in our building right now. We're told it's just a drill. But basically, I will say this. Last night's debate was like nothing we've ever seen before.
And by the way, my son...
Wait a minute.
This morning, the headline saying it all. Fall brawl, a hot mess. A